Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BUSD from Tangem wallet to Uphold in 2025. If you're holding BUSD in your Tangem wallet and want to transfer it to Uphold for trading or spending, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates in crypto regulations by 2025. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version. Security is key in crypto, so ensure your wallet is connected to a secure network. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and log in with your credentials. You'll see your dashboard with all your assets listed. Find BUSD in your portfolio. Step 2. Select BUSD from your assets. Tap on it to view your balance, then look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to specify Uphold as the destination. If Uphold isn't listed, you might have to add it as a custom address. Copy your Uphold wallet address carefully to avoid any errors. Step 4. Confirm the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those up front. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction using your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Uphold account and keep an eye on the Deposits section to confirm when BUSD arrives. A quick tip. Always verify the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status to ensure everything's smooth. If you run into issues, like failed transfers, contact Tangem or Uphold support immediately. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw BUSD from Tangem wallet to Uphold in 2025. It's easier than you think, and you're now one step closer to managing your crypto like a pro. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.